My name is Chware Crispin, R22162664X. I'm going to look on how to use the Google Meet to teach online. First of all, I want to know what is a Google. A Google is a video conferencing and online meeting platforms developed by the company which is called Google. It allows participants from everywhere in the globe to do virtual meeting and virtual conferencing. Google offers features such as videos, audios, screen sharing, real-time captions, and chat messages. It is mainly used in remote work, distance learning, and discussions. Google Meet is accessed through web browsers or even mobile applications. Right, how to use Google Meet to teach online. First of all, you must have what you call the Google account. You must first of all create the Google account. Also, the participants, they should also have the Google Mail so that they can easily join without any constraints. How can someone access Google Meet? To begin, for someone to access Google Meet, you just log into your Google Meet or G Suite account. The G Suite account has got better advantages. For example, you can record your class, you can have the live streaming, and it allows you to have more participants. Google Meet is also integrated into many Google software. Like for example, we got the Google Mail, we have the Google Calendar, which is accessed from the Google Meet.com. Then when we come to the scheduling a class, there are two ways we can use to schedule a class using a Google Meet. You can begin by instant meeting on the homepage of the schedule one with a Google Calendar. It is recommended to schedule your class in advance so that all the setup is complete before your class can enter or whenever they want to access it. Right, in a Google Calendar, as you are seeing there on the Google Calendar, you can set up a new event like normal. After you've inserted the name, then the date, time, just click the bar, add Google Meet video conferencing. Now, the event will be scheduled with Google Meet in the URL, which you call the Uniform Resource Location. The URL is the one which joins you to the virtual meeting. You can also you can copy or paste this link and send it to students so that they can access it. Or you can also add your students using the add guest bar. There is another bar where there is more options. Here at more options, you can easily check your students or other invited guests. Then, when you want to start a class, if you go to more options, here you can check for your students to invite maybe and even to invite other guests. When it is time to start a class, I'll just click the event in the calendar. Then join by inserting the meeting ID or you can go to the Meet homepage. You can also join there. You can choose to begin presenting your screen right away, or to enter with camera or the mic if it is on. Also, there is a toolbar at the bottom of the screen. To the left, there is information in the attachments you can add to the calendar invites or to invite other. Right? There are also what you call the menu bars. In these menu bars, there is microphone and the camera buttons. If these bars are red, you know that those tools are off. But when this camera and the microphone buttons are white, it means they are on and they are in action. Right to the right, there is a live caption button. As you are seeing there on this button, the right, there is a live caption bar. It transcribes what you are saying in real time. It transcribes, meaning say whatever you are doing or while speaking, it transcribes it in real time. Then the last main button gives you customizable option to your call. Right? Also, when you are using a Google Class, it is very simple when you want to share with your friends, because you can share your desktop, you can share your Windows, or any tab in the Chrome with your friends or relatives. And I think it's very recommended. Why you say that it is very recommended for you to share your Windows and desktop? It allows even your friends, your relatives, to see what you are doing. Thereby they can cope. They can also be able to use this Google Meet. Also, we can use what we call the seamless transition. In this seamless transition, it is easy also to share windows with other people. One can also open up chat to communicate with other students as seen during the call using this Google Meet. But after you are through, let's say we are through using the Google Meet, you just click stop sharing and the call will resume back to your video full screen. Right, that is how we use to teach Google Meet. But remember, you must have the Google, the Gmail account